Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can perform an antivirus scan on your Android device. So in the first step you have to download some antivirus app. I choose Avast, but you feel a lot of other applications in the Google Play Store. But remember to choose trusted company. So now we have to open the antivirus app and click get started. Now click next and skip. Continue with free and continue as free. Now click here and add a permission. You can see now I was looking for the viruses and other malware on my device. And that's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.